Mga kaibigan, just to smile first. There is a lot of questions here right now to understand and to say about this, mga kaibigan. We have one of our followers from our Facebook page who are asking about this. And also, I would like to reiterate this type of things that we have. It is part of the psychology, you know. I think it is psychological emotions. It is a psychological discussions. It is all about a psychological attentions, mga kaibigan. You know, guys. Because I am not an expert here to say about this. But this questions is all about cheating, no? It's all about cheating. That if you are or we are in this arena of talking in the front of the camera, especially we are involving or engaging these types of discussion right now, that you know, guys, I am here because I have one of those Facebook page there that there is 15,000 followers, 10,000, 3,000, and 50,000 followers, and etc. Mga kaibigan. So that's why there is a lot of questions that they are arrive and asking about this, are racist about this, mga kaibigan. There is mayroon palang micro cheating. So that's why I learned about this and to take a lot of things to be fixed and to research about this. So micro cheating, mga kaibigan, it is called the smallest breaches of trusting, mga kaibigan, no? If you do research about this. So meaning it is all about acceptable, the things what do you mean is that, no? It's all about to accept everything. But mga kaibigan, like for example, if you are married and then you got so left behind your wedding ring, and then afterwards your wife was asking you why you left this wedding ring that we have, and then you ask there is a lot of reasons that you have, and then later you got to text or chat to your ex partner before. So that is a breaches, no? It is one of the example that si mga kaibigan. But hindi po siguro gano'n, no? No, mga kaibigan, I would like to say this. When we are on that marriage, to receiving the seven sacraments in which the gods put it in the Quran, in the Bible, and everything, it is all about the sacred life that we have. The sacred agreement in the long life commitment in life until the ending of the fire of the life. So why do we call it the ending of life? Because there is sometimes we got misinformations, lack of informations, and everything about this. And then you need to talk with your wife. Because we could not talk compose a trusted family that we have to build up to become one flesh, two flesh to become unite into one flesh, mga kaibigan. Yan po ang sinasabi doon sa Biblia. No? Yan po ang sinasabi. What do you mean is that? In micro-cheating, yung matatanggap-tanggap lang ba? No. Cheating as a whole is a crime. Cheating is a crime. In Bible, even in your mind, you cheat in your mind, that is the biggest violations of God's commandments. But in the law, we need to prove first before you got that kind of cheatings that you have. So what is the most difference? In this life, you need to understand what is the most perfect to understand your marriage right now. Yan po ang totoo dyan. Hindi porket I do not like to tolerate. Nanguyab imong asawa, nanguyab imong bana diha sa makita nimo. If your husband or your wife, they are tago-tago the cellphone, they are going outside that you do not know, be careful. Be careful about that. Yan po, mga kaibigan. That is a biggest differences in life. If you got something about that, and then try to ask your wife or your husband about this. Yan po ang malaking pagkakamali or pagkakamali ng iba. Tinatanggap pa ho yung iba. Because do not ask for the past, especially if you not to got that kinds of the sacraments that you receive in your life. Pagkasal na ho kayo, wag na yung babalik-balikan yung iba. These are all the part of the single life in the single cycle. But you got for the one cycle as a two flesh in one united to become a one flesh, and then you receive the God's commandments. You receive the God grace. You receive what the God's provides you as a whole. No? Ganun no. Like for example, nanguyab imohang husband, imohang wife. Nya later yung nakuan, pasayloon pa din mo. Cheating is a crime. Cheating is a violation. Cheating is a big stigmatism. Mind you. Huwag ninyong hayaan ng ganun. Just to talk. Pag nagkakamali, kung maaari, isa sa uli natin, wag natin sasaktan because the law will be protected on it. Ganun lang o. If you want to be proper as your marriage, you file an annulment to the court. Ganun lang, to be proper on it. If you do not understand each other, you come into court, you come into law to be proper on it. Do not make an abusive to trigger that you kill your husband or your wife. It's a big nothing in this universe.